guys, welcome to our new release inspiration hub for Not Too Shabby. I have several cards to share with you. I'm also going to share all the products in detail in this video so you can see what comes in the new box of the month. So our box of the month for May is Coffee and Friends themed. So we've got coffee and treats and really fun images for you to play with. So to participate in the hop, all you have to do is hop to each video, and to do that, click on the hashtag N2S Coffee and Friends. That will open up all the videos that are included in this hop. Go to each one, leave a comment on their video, and then come back and use the Rafflecopter link that I have in my description box to enter into the giveaway. So I pull the winners from that, a pool of names. I will pull the winner in a week, so you'll have a week to watch the videos, and the winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. I'm super excited, guys. Today is the release day for the box of the month. So we have our May box available, and it's coffee and treats themed. It's super cute and I'm super excited. I can't wait for you guys to see all the card samples. I'll have some in this video for you, but the design team is creating some amazing cards all month long. Now, what's great about our box of the month is we have a box of the month club. Now, to sign up for the club, all you have to do is choose monthly as your frequency when you check out, and you'll automatically get a box every month. So you'll be charged every 30 days and your box will be shipped automatically. So the earlier you sign up for the club, the earlier you're going to get your box, because you get the box every 30 days. So you can purchase the box as a one-time purchase, or you could sign up for our box of the month club. And when you do the club, you get an extra 5% off discount when you check out. There's no coupon available on the box, but it is factored into the price, so there is a discount of 10% off retail. But when you sign up for the club, you're going to get an additional 5% off. You'll see that discount when you check out. So the box costs $8 to ship. I am going to ship it priority. For international shipments, check the website. There is a shipping calculator. So let's dig into all these goodies. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I want to start with the stamps. So we have 3 stamp sets. So the first one here, I did draw this cute little stamp set, and you are able to get this as a digital stamp. So I'm going to be releasing this as a digi as well. So you can resize it any size you want and do some fun editing, and that's going to be really fun. So you'll see our Instagram creative team design with that digital stamp. So this one's called Yum Yum. It's a cute little hamster and all these little goodies. We've got a muffin, a donut, a coffee, another cold drink, and then a little bow if you want to make it a girl's hamster. The sentiments read, "I'm on the coffee diet. Yum y'all. We go together like coffee and donuts. Have the best day and sweet." And I have some colored images to show you. So you'll see cards with these at the end of the video. So these are really fun to color. You could do some creative masking to have the little hamster hold some goodies. So that's what I did there. I just masked off his hands and then stamped out the donut there. Another creative way to have the hamster hold these items. So there's a lot of creative ways to do some masking so he can hold the items. So I masked off his arms and then I stamped the donut. You can also just stamp out another hamster, cut out his arms, paste it over. So add your image and then paste his arms over that so it looks like he's holding it. Or just pop up the image in front and then it looks like he's kind of like presenting the item. So there's that one, super fun, huh? And then we've got this one here is called I Heart Coffee. And I just love the images, super cute. We've got the coffee bag, little cup of steaming hot coffee, little croissant, and then this cute little face here is my cutie face that I drew. So I just added it to the stamp set so you can turn these images into fun little cuties. So a latte, and then a spoon to stir your coffee with, and then a yummy donut. We've got the sentiments, coffee and friends, make the perfect blend. You mocha me happy, you have my heart, and let's do coffee. So I hope you have fun with that one. And then here we go with drink the coffee. So this is a sentiment pack, really, but they're nice and bold, and they have little images on them so they can carry your card. We've got drink the coffee, do the crafts. Love that. And I did cut some out so you can kind of see. You can fussy cut around the sentiment if you wanted. May your coffee kick in before reality does. Powered by pixie dust and coffee. Cut that one out. We've got mom fuel. So I know everybody knows a mom. You can make little tags and put this on their mom fuel and wrap it around a latte and give it to your mom or your daughter that's a mom. However you want to do that, I think that's a really cute idea. We've got lashes long and coffee strong. And then all I need is coffee and scissors. So this one's really fun. And you can make some really quick cards with this. I was thinking stamp this down with some embossing folder and then do an ink blended background. So you're always going to get like something little sweet to eat. So I've included an organic yummy pop and then matching sequins. So we've got some matching sequins that you can create shaker cards or just use them as embellishments. So this one's called Coffee and Treats. It's a 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided sheets, and 4 of each design. I have Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa on YouTube. She creates all my papers and my matching ephemeras for me. So thank you, Teresa. These are awesome. So we've got this really cute one. So we've got 4 of each design. It says yum. There's cute little cupcakes. And then on the other side, we've got this really pretty stripe. It's like a glittery stripe in gold. And then this one, we've got the latte and the cupcake, the word yum. And then we've got a pretty pink and white stripe. This one says Coffee Girl, and then we've got all these latte cups and the little frozen drink there. And then on the back, we've got the pink polka dots on the white background, and it kind of looks like hand-drawn in there. Looks really cute. Then we've got the latte foam, little decoration on your foam there. And then on the other side, we've got it kind of zoomed in. And I love this one with the little polka dots on the latte cup. That is just so cute. And then on the other side, we've got that black polka dot pattern. And then this one, the little coffee cup or teacup, because it does say tea, so you could use this for your tea projects. And then we've got a nice stripe with gold and pink in the background. So super, super cute. The coordinating ephemera for that is just so cute. They are like watercolored pieces. Look at that image, so cute. Little cold drinks. Then you got your latte. This one's really cute with the smiley face. Then we've got little cupcakes. little coffee, little donuts with that look like a little bear, some coffee cups here, some frozen drinks. This one's really cute. Nice larger latte cup. I love the polka dotted one. And then you get a couple more with these panda donuts, and then there's kitty cat donuts. Some more cupcakes. You get a lot in here. So you get multiples of each design. The little circle from the donuts are included in here. So you'll see those floating around in the package. You can use those as polka dots if you wanted to. But really cute, super fun. And these are Mina and Moo designs. So let's go to the next paper pad and matching ephemera. So this one's called Coffee and Friends. This one you get 2 of each design. So I love the color palette on these. So look at those awesome coffee cups. And then the back, we've got that nice blue color. It's like a cream color. Very, very nice. And then this one with the little words, flat white, mocha, cappuccino. And then we've got polka dots on the back. This nice polka dotted one with this rich brown. Coffee cups on the back. Nice cream on the back of that one. Really pretty striped. Some coffee beans. Some cream polka dots. It's really pretty. Just love the rich browns in this collection. So perfect for all your coffee themed stamps. It's a pretty polka dot pattern. So love that paper pad. And these go perfect with this paper pad. So you get a lot of ephemera pieces. So we've got some cookies and a cappuccino. We've got some sentiments in here, Coffee and Friends, the perfect blend. So little sentiment. So you get quite a few of these in there. Good days start with coffee, some more cookies, cappuccinos with a little spoon. Here's a bigger one, coffee time. Some donuts in there with your coffee. This one says love with the little coffee cup there. So, so cute. Coffee time. 2 of those in there. And then we've got, let's see, some donuts. So you get more, you get duplicates here. So you can create several cards using the same image. Don't worry about hoarding it. There's another. So let's start with these fun cards that I created. So the first one here is using our Yum Yum stamp set, and I'll show the whole stamp set in detail, so stick around on this video. I did use the sentiment from the stamp set, have the best day. The cute little hamster has a donut, and then I did some little creative masking there, so it's holding the donut. I added the bow, so she is a girl hamster. She's really, really cute. And then the little drinks and the treats off to the side, like she is going to eat all of them. My video is going to be longer than everyone else's video in this hop, just because I have to explain all the products and show you everything in detail. But the videos are nice and short. There's only, I think, seven of us on the hop. I did strips on my slimline card here to use multiple patterns from the paper. So there is the first one. I've got these two that came out really cute. This is the other stamp set called I Heart Coffee, and I used a cluster of the images to make a cute little scene. I did some watercoloring in the background. I used the You Have My Heart sentiment from that set, and then I have that polka dot paper for my backdrop there, and I thought that turned out super cute with the pink and the green. This one's very similar, but I used the striped paper pad, and of course I topped it off with some sequins that come in this kit. I did stamp on the cutie little face that comes in the stamp set, so you can use the images without the face, so you have that option. Now this really cute card is done with the ephemera from the kit. So these two images here, I popped them up. I did use the splatter stamp from our previous stamp set, Fall Gnomes. So that is in the shop if you wanted to take a look at that. Now the sentiment I used, We Go Together Like Coffee and Donuts, comes from the little cute hamster stamp set. And then I added two patterns from the paper pad at the bottom. And this one here comes from the stamp set Drink the Coffee. Has some nice bold sentiments that will carry your card. You can do different techniques with this since we have such like a thick sentiment, which is perfect for like embossing and then doing a beautiful background, or doing some ombre effect with some inks. That would be really cute. All I did for this was very simple, just use some pattern paper, and then I popped up my sentiment here on top of a popped up square. And then this card is very simple as well. You can make some quick cards. I used 3 of the patterns, and then I pieced them back together, and then I took one of the ephemera pieces and I just added some stickles. So don't be afraid to dress up your ephemera pieces with some glossy accents or stickles, or even if you wanted to color them or cut them, don't be afraid to alter your ephemera pieces. Don't forget to click on the hashtag N2S Coffee and Friends to find all the videos in this hop. Leave a comment on each video and give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you enjoy card making, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Take care, and I'll see you real soon.